This is Up Top TV, Broad Street edition again. Snowstorm Broad Street edition. Listen, that's what we do, man.
Yeah, you know, we go up top, man. You know what I'm saying?
Up top, downtown, shit like that, man.
You know what I'm saying? I kick it to him hardcore but righteous. On these mic devices, it's seldom I write shit. I go first, let me break the icing. Whatever you want, bet niggas, state your prices.
Okay.
You can go ahead and spit all that hype shit. You see me nod my head, but don't let that hype ya. And I don't give a fuck who piped ya. You try to get rowdy, I'm Roddy Piper. But I don't wrestle, I do that with chicks. But trust me, with a clip, my aim on sniper. I put your brain on the windshield of your car and remove your thoughts with the windshield wiper. Throw bullets, try to dodge like Viper. Back in the day, you was trying to dodge the cipher, cause you heard Rizzy Raw spit like lighter. Spark a nigga up like a Dutch in a cipher. It's puff puff pass, don't fuck up the cipher. Keep rotation for a slug, fuck up the occasion. Catch me OT and the work is Caucasian. In the hotel with two chicks that's Caucasian. Giving me brain like I'm stupid as shit. The car dumb, the rims look stupid as shit. You niggas is low, why would I stoop to your shit? I slide through your block, catch you on the stoop with your bitch. Blow your ceiling through the roof of your shit. She sitting there crying like, what I'm gonna do about my kids? Shut up, bitch, go and get a job. Don't worry about this nigga, he's on his way to God. Unless you wanna join him, join him. So you don't go running back to cops, Jackie Joyner. Cursey, none of this controversy can hurt me. Bitch, say you looking like you thirsty. Every time I spit, I kill him with the wordplay. We can do this here Thursday to Thursday. Why these niggas fraud talking about they getting money? Your baby mom broke and your kids look bummy. The motherfucking water on your toilet still running. Kids playing downstairs, ceiling about to fall on them. Hey, I be in the club, bitches, I'm a ball on them. I'ma have a pussy numb like his Amazon on it. No illustration, but I'ma draw on them with that 4-4 mag fat die long on me. I'm 3 digits. I keep 3 biscuits with the bullet. Biggest shit be at least 3 inches. Put niggas like you 72 inches. If you don't know your math, that's 6 deep. You bitches. Freestyle. Regular shit. Come through in the regular whip. Your bitch, she just wants some old regular dick. This Rizzy got some up on some regular shit, you know? Yo, let me stop.
Regular shit, man. He could have kept going though, for real. But we got a 3-minute limit. I'ma just tell y'all why he stopped, cause we got a 3-minute limit, and he could have kept going for like 10-15 minutes, for real. It would have been kind of drawn, for real. Y'all would have just had to cut the drawing off, and he still would have been gone and shit. While the video, yeah, you know what I mean.
I'm high as shit.
Off Top TV shit, Broad Street, Snowstorm edition.
Yo, man, you feel like rolling?
I'm gonna twist something up, yeah.